Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download and play POU on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download and play POU on your PC or laptop, you will need to download this app first. So this app is called Bluestacks. So Bluestacks is an Android emulator app that allows you to run Android apps and games on your PC or laptop. And since we all know that POU is a mobile game, we will use this app to play it. So to download Bluestacks, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, you can now search for Bluestacks. And after searching, you will now be able to see this website, which is the official website of Bluestacks, so just go and click it. And after that, you will now be on the website. So to download Bluestacks app on this website, it's so simple, you just need to click this download button right here. And after clicking it, the Bluestacks installer will now be downloaded, so you can now click the file to start installing the app. And after that, the app installation will now start, just wait for it to finish. And once the installation is finished, your Bluestacks will automatically open. And now that you've opened your Bluestacks, let me now show you how to download POU on this app. So to do that, it's so simple, you just need to search for the game right here. And after searching, you will now be able to see the game, just go and click it. And then just click the install button. And after that, Bluestacks will now start opening the game, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, finally, for the last step, just click the install button to finally start installing the game. And then the game will now start downloading, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done, congratulations, you will now have POU installed on your PC or laptop, so you can now start playing the game. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.